A boom, cha, a boom, boom, cha, rap, score a rap, hey. What is going on, Kuza family? Aflam Eastland, my Icelandic people, what is happening? You really know what it is. I love you guys are the best. We're gonna do another reaction, and I want to apologize because we saw this, you guys been asking us to do this for quite a while, like the Scholar Rap where they have, apparently Aaron Khan, everyone's in it, so I think they did it for charity stuff, I'm not sure, but you guys kept coming to do the Scholar Rap, and sorry that we took this long to do it, you know, probably don't care anymore, but we're about to do it now, and once again I apologize for the delay, but so we're going to react to Scholar Rap. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and the same goes for my little brother. His will be in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. So we're gonna get straight into it. Scholar Rap, Kuza reaction, Kuza family, Kuza squad, gang, you already know what it is. Let's get it. Scholar Rap. For a charity, that's UNICEF, yeah, it's for a charity, it has to be. Ooh, she's one hot teacher. Yeah, guys, do me a favor, please comment down below who are all these people, because there's some people I don't realize. I can see MJ Gauchi's there right now. Yeah. So that beautiful woman who's a teacher, who is she, and the guy in the beginning, just comment down below and explain the whole concept of this video. Okay, wow. MJ Gauchi! Boom, cha, a boom, boom, cha. Scholar Rap. Alright. Hey, Aaron Khan. Yeah, who's this? I like her makeup, that's nice. That pink bit there, nice. Who are these people as well? Yeah, guys, comment down below who are these girls, and if they have social media, tag them in this so they can see our reactions. And if you're watching this, add me on Instagram. I'm just joking. But no, let me know who are these guys, and make sure, like, if you have the social media, tell them to check this out, because I'm sure they'll like this reaction. I don't use it. Hey, Helena Chismo. And Binner. Boom, boom, cha. Boom, cha. Boom, boom, cha. I like his glasses, man. He's always got nice glasses. In there. Boom, boom, cha. Boom, cha. Boom, boom, cha. Oh, he's been still out like boom, boom, cha. Yo. Guys. See that milkshake right there? I forgot what it's called, yeah, but that milkshake, yeah, or whatever you call that, amazing. When I was in Iceland, that's all I kept drinking. It's just amazing. I promise, it's the best. It's the best. And I like Skyr yogurt. Skyr, very good yogurt. Boom, boom, cha. Yeah, let me know what that milkshake is called, please. Oh, something's about to go down. I wonder what school this is. Jermaine, talk to them.
That song, like, you know, a song that most teenagers or kids will listen to, because I think it's for charity personally.
Yeah.
Because all of them got together to make one song. And I think the song means school rap, because
Yeah, school rap, I think it's
scholars sound at school.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it was a good song, yeah.
Yeah, literally, like, the song was just to entertain. It's entertainment, you know. It's not like a serious song. It's not like they just did it for fun. You know what I mean? I'm sure not everyone there are artists. I bet some of them are probably actors or different famous characters and individuals in Iceland. So please let me know. I know Aaron Khan. I know Stella Atlas. I know Mr. Peanut Butter. I know MJ Gauti. But like the girls, the head teacher in the beginning, just comment down below who they are and someone explain to me the whole concept of this video. But it was entertaining, you know. I'm sure they're doing this for charity, so that's amazing. And I'm guessing it means school rap. So entertaining video. Ah boom, cha, ah boom boom cha, rap, score rap. Hey. But it's your boy Prince.
It's your boy Jermaine.
Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you add me on Snapchat. Same goes for him. It'll be in the description box down below. And then please, once again, subscribe. If you haven't told your friend, tell your friend, and tell that friend to tell her friend, and tell that friend to tell that friend, and that friend, and that friend. Tell your aunties, tell your uncles, tell your cousins, tell your whole squad to subscribe to this channel, because we've got plenty cooking, plenty. So yeah, please subscribe. Please subscribe and follow me on the gram. Follow me on the gram. Let's grow together, alright? Yeah. So comment down below what we should react to next, and I look forward to it. And just tell me anything, I don't mind. It doesn't have to be, it could be any kind of Icelandic music. It doesn't have to be rap, it could be anything. I'm willing to check it out because I love my Iceland, you know what I mean? But yeah, so without further ado, it's your boy Prince.
It's your boy Jermaine.
You guys are Kuzo, we're Kuzo, everything Kuzo, and stay shining. And we out. Ha!